Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to tag the favorite Pokemon on your Pokemon Go account. So at first, just open your phone. And as you open your phone, open the Pokemon Go app from wherever it is located. And as you open your Pokemon Go app, it takes a while to load because it depends on your internet speed. So all you have to do is just wait until it loads. And guys, as it loads, you're in this home page as I am. So just stay at this home page and look at the middle button for that Pokeball option and just select that. And as you select it, select on that Pokemon. And as you do that, just select any of the Pokemon that you want to add to favorite. And as you select it, look at the right top corner for the star option. So just click on there. And as you click it, you have made your favorite Pokemon. So guys, that's how you tag a favorite Pokemon on your Pokemon Go account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.